I said, if your guru doesn't know his sarup, and he's not coming in this line of rag marg, can one still attain seva there in Krishna's Astakali Lila? And he said, no. He said, this is quite the standard answer over here. He said, for the disciple, the guru gives 11 bhavas, ekadash bhav, so that the disciple can meditate on the Manjri Swarup, and the Manjri Swarup of him or herself, and the guru, and his own parampara. And the guru gives the padati, or the system. Padati means the process. The word padati means the process or the system, a bhajan, that comes down through the guru parampara. How to do seva and astakali lila as a manjri. But if one is not coming in such a parampara, the guru cannot independently give you your manjri swarup. It comes from relationship. Guru pranali. Pranali means a line. Parampara. Without guru pranali, you're unable to get your swarup. This is Vinod Baba's saying, and most of the Babajis say that. If the guru has no pranali or no proper parampara, he has no right to give swarup, because he doesn't know the parampara. He has no connection. Can't make out. So Tantra Bhajan